Out here walking. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Honestly, I am scared, and I am far away from my car. I'm telling you, I am far away from my car. Is that a tornado sound?
Morning.
Huh? Morning. I am wondering. I want to get to my car like yesterday. I don't see nobody on the trail. It's like me alone. Me alone. Here like a tornado side sound. People, I want to get to my car. I wonder if I can ask for a ride. Yes, I want to get to my car. I want to get to the car before it get worse. Yeah, got the skies. Dark, dark, dark. Hmm? But when you're on a mission, I'm on a mission to lose weight and to get better. So I am out this morning walking. But honestly, this is kind of serious. And I'm not fooling you. I'm a bit scared. And I'm a good way. Maybe about 20 minutes walk from the car. So this is what I'm in. Getting a bit windy. And the rain is coming. Wow. Keep me, Lord. Keep me, Lord. They that wait upon the Lord. When I reach to that corner, I will feel a little better. See that corner? Ooh, look at the sky. Oh my God. I am in the rain, and I guess they have a tornado warning. I didn't know. I come out and walk, and I am away from the car maybe about 20 minutes. Mighty God. I'm a bit scared. Seriously scared. I want to get out, but I'm distance away. That's so far, further than that. But when I get to there, I'll feel a little better. See? Cane field. All around corn. Okay, no, not cane, corn. Yeah. I am scared. I am really scared. I'm not lying. I want to get off the road, honestly. Oh my goodness. I want to get off the road, seriously. I need to get off. Yep. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I need to come off. Look at the sky. It is dark, people. Dark. Dark, Mr. Dark. Yeah. I need to come off. I need to find a car like yesterday. Wow. Woo. Woo-hoo. Yeah. It's not safe. I didn't realize that it was yeah. That it would get so dark. They shall walk and not be weary. They shall run. Keep me safe. They that wait upon the Lord. Yes, man. Woo-hoo. Hey, hi, how you doing? How you doing? Adam Omar. Yes. Thanks for joining the live, but I am scared. I am scared. I don't know what is happening. Yep, I'm really scared. I want to get off the road soon. But you see, when you're on a mission, I guess sometimes you don't think. Because I'm on a mission to lose weight. So I got up this morning and decided to walk. And here comes tornado warning. I want to come off the road. Yes. Hi. I want to come off the road. Ooh. I need to come off the road. Soon, soon, soon. Trying to get my 10,000 steps because I have to lose weight for my health. But I wouldn't chance it if I'd known that this was going to happen. I would stay home. I would stay home. Yeah, because it's bad. It's dark. Yeah, it is dark. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh Jesus. Oh. Try to move as fast as I can. Just to come out of this, I'm telling you. I really realized that I didn't see a lot of persons walking this morning. You know, and it's early. It's not really that late. But yeah, keep my... Oh God. I'm about 10 minutes away from the car. Trying to get there and get out. Trying to get to the car and get home. Yep. To the car and home. Yep. Hey everybody, how you doing? Thanks for keeping my company. I want to get out of this. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Whew. Yeah, get caught up in a tornado watch due to the fact that I am desperate. Desperate because I need to lose weight. So I came out, but I am not too far now. I am not too far. Who is this now? I don't know what this is. Oh gosh. Yes, 2 persons keeping my company. Thank you guys. Thanks very much, Adam. I'm I'm pushing hard to make it to the car. Woo! I am pushing. Still have 1 person. Thanks very much. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm gonna end the live now.